In this video, I'll show you how to promote your website using Google Ads with a simple step-by-step approach that beginners can follow. Google Ads is one of the most widely used advertising platforms, allowing businesses and creators to bring targeted visitors directly to their websites. First, open Google Ads and create a new campaign, making sure your account and billing are properly set up so ads can run smoothly. When selecting your goal, choose website traffic, which helps Google optimize your campaign for people more likely to click and visit your site. Next, select the campaign type that suits your strategy, such as search for intent-based traffic or display and video for broader reach. During setup, define your audience location, language, and daily budget, and create clear headlines and descriptions that match your landing page. Start with a small budget, monitor performance, and adjust based on results since ad outcomes can vary by niche and competition. Subscribe for more simple and honest digital marketing tutorials.